Alrighty folks, welcome back to Digitonic One. What we got here is 4 cash explosion tickets, and we're still on the search for that entry ticket. And we're going to see if we can find it this time. We got 4 of them, and let's read the particulars here. Reveal 3 identical prize amounts, win that prize. Reveal 2 identical prize amounts and a multiplier symbol, 2x or 5x, to multiply your prize. Reveal entry 3 times to become eligible to appear on our TV game show. And when we find that entry, folks, we're going to give it away. 1 lucky commenter. And what we got here is 55, 56, 57, and 58. All right, let's get to scratch and see what we got here. All right. $5. 500, $2. 500, 100, $5. $10, $2, and $50. All right, 55 is a loser. How lottery loser, you're out of here. All right, 56. $5. $50. $5,000. $5. Looks like that was a $5 winner, folks. $5 winner there on that one. That's all you can have is one winner on each ticket. That's a $5 winner. All right. 57. 500. 10, 5,000, $5, 50, and 20. Can't believe we come across an entry yet. 100, 500. So we got 2 500s. We've got, that's it, 2 500s. Yep, that's it. And a 50. So we got 50, 50. And that's it. No more than that. Alright, that's a loser. Oh, lottery loser. Oh, lottery loser. You're out of here, dude. And our last ticket here is 58. Let's see what we got. 10. 50. 4. 50. 20. There's an entry. Alright, we just need 2 more. Come on. 4. That's all we got there is 4. 10 and 4. Oh, yep, 10, 4, 4. And there's 2 entries. Alright, folks, we'll keep on looking. So if you'll keep on watching, eventually we're going to come across it, folks, because they're pretty much on every roll. I pretty much think so, I think. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice evening.